Hi, my name is Melinda Calway, and today I'll be showing you a short preview of a 30-minute tutorial that I have done on this morning Melodies painting. So here I'm putting an underlayer down, some sky and some bushes in the background, and now that it's dry I'll start painting on the trees and the other things that are in the painting. So with the trees, I'm putting some greens on. I'm using different greens and putting it in a little bit at a time. Then this tree at the side here is kind of yellow, so I wanted to get that in ahead of time so I can paint around it because I don't want to lose the yellow. And these are evergreen trees, so I'm putting a lot of different greens in it and some browns and a little bit of reds in there just to give it a little bit of contrast. In the foreground here, there's some kind of yellowish red bushes, so I'm putting those in. They really caught my eye and I like it. So now that those trees are in, I'm spattering in some yellow, and I'm using hansa yellow, which is opaque, so it will show up on top of the green. One of the great things, if you know the properties of your color, you can get some colors that will go on top of green. So this spattering, I'm putting some of it while it's wet and then some of it when it's dry, so I'll have different degrees of yellow. These trees that are coming in the side and framing it nicely, I put those in, and some branches. And again, if you want to see the whole video, it's about 30 minutes long and you'll see a lot more detail and I'll be explaining things. You can go to YouTube and type in Melinda Calway and you can find it on there. It'll say Morning Melodies Tutorial. If you want to see any more of my videos, that's where you'll find them, and you can check out my website at melindacalway.ca or Facebook at melindacalway-artist or my Instagram at melindacalway.art. I hope you've enjoyed this preview, and feel free to check out the whole video.